What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we're gonna be checking out the brand new Amazon Fire Max 11. Amazon was cool enough to sponsor today's video and send this out to us so we can get a first look at it, as well as some of its accessories. All right, so let's get right into it and pop this thing open. So peel off the little sticker up top. Oh, dang, Dom, look what you made me do. So pretty simple unboxing. We got the box over here. USB-C cable, A to C, a SIM ejector tool with some paperwork, and a charging brick. And of course, the big board itself, the Fire Max 11. Now, the idea behind this tablet is that it's supposed to check a lot of the boxes from entertainment, productivity, even some creativity. It's supposed to be able to handle all of that. And you can tell that's Amazon's goal with the new accessories that they came out with. This guy's going to be starting at $229, which is really inexpensive for a full-blown tablet. And when you're factoring in accessories, you can actually get a bundle for $329. So you get that keyboard as well as the pen. So affordability and being able to check all those boxes was absolutely the goal here. Now, as the name implies, we've got an 11-inch display over here, 2000 by 1200 resolution, and I don't know, I like the form factor, right, Dom? This thing, it's pretty palmable. 11 inches is pretty large for a tablet, and I kind of like the aspect ratio that they went with over here because it's going to be good for watching content. But you know, this is Amazon, and you've got things like Kindle apps, so when you're reading books, it also feels like a Kindle. And of course, with this, you get access to apps that you can download, games, all that good stuff. So you've got this nice large screen, but let's throw up some content. Let's throw up some Your Average Consumer, see how it actually sounds, see what it looks like to watch something. We're gonna make a desk setup for this. Actually looks pretty good. The colors are great. Really checked out. It's a nice screen. And on the side, you've got microphones. So, you know, with this being an Amazon product, we've got built right into it. So look, I've got it triggered. How dare I? But you've got this built right into this thing. So if you want to control your smart home, ask it questions, have it open up apps, all that good stuff, you can go ahead, just use the wake word and have it do whatever commands you want. Now, for my fellow geeks out there, these are the specs that this thing is working with. Now, you might notice that it comes with 64 gigs or 128 gigs of storage, but there is an SD card slot, so you can add up to 1 terabyte with a micro SD card. If you want to store all your pictures, maybe have more room for apps, that kind of thing, whatever it may be, you can expand the storage. Not to mention they come with 2 8-megapixel cameras, one up front, one in the back. So if you want to do things like video calling, you got access to Zoom right here. So you can go ahead, set that up, take your calls. And if you just want to take photos and videos, you got that in the back as well. And we should be able to get about 14 hours of battery life, which is actually pretty impressive considering most tablets kind of stick around the 10-hour battery life mark. But of course, we'd have to spend more time with it to kind of put that to the test. So let's see how it feels to move around this thing, maybe play a couple of games, see what the overall experience is like. Okay, so it takes you right into game mode where it optimizes performance for gaming, disables some notifications and stuff. I'm with that. All right, so this is like one of my favorite games to play. So let's see how it feels to game on this. I mean, this is actually pretty smooth. We'll get back to the video in a second, Dom, trust me. I just wanna win. Yeah, I'm not mad at this at all. So we've got some pretty solid performance here. This is supposed to be 50% faster than Amazon's second fastest tablet. So a huge improvement on their end. So we're seeing if you just wanna use this thing for like entertainment, it can definitely get the job done, but it's supposed to be good for productivity as well. And I guess that's where some of the accessories come in. So this right here is the Fire Max 11 keyboard case. Let's pop this thing open really quick and see what we get. Okay, so we got the keyboard and the cover. So if you want to throw it on the back of this, snaps right on with magnets, gives you access to a kickstand. Oh, that's a strong kickstand too, so you can prop it up how you need to. How low does it go? That's not bad. And let's pop this on. Okay, yeah. So we've got a full-blown keyboard. This goes for 89 bucks. 89.99, I think it is.
That's pretty low.
Yeah, so this is like right under 90 bucks. Really, really inexpensive. And that's like the whole idea here. Like you kind of get everything but without breaking the bank. So you get like the full-blown keyboard, you get the trackpad, we got our mouse over here. Let's see, and you know, we got a browser. Oh, let's do the typing test.
That's 3 fingers.
69 words per minute, 98% accuracy. It's not my best, but I'll take it. Actually, considering this is a whole new keyboard, that's not too bad. I'm not mad at that at all. Yeah, Dom, you could try here if you want. You could try to beat me, but I don't think you will.
I probably won't.
Are you better at like texting than typing?
I feel like I am.
Really? I'm a horrible texter. My friends know this. Oh, the gestures. Okay. So I can imagine this keyboard being really helpful for productivity if you want to hash out like some emails. You even get access to, I think, 3 months of Microsoft 365. So you get those Office apps. You can go ahead and use those. And with a keyboard like this, it allows you to do some like actual work on this too. Oh, you can even pull up PDFs and annotate them and whatnot with the pen. So you know it's not the full-blown tablet experience if you don't have the keyboard and the pen. Oh, I like this pen. So we got a battery. And boom, 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, replaceable stylus tips, and 1 quadruple A battery. Did you know those existed?
Don't think I've seen one.
No wonder it looks so small. Oh, does it just... Oh, it magnetically attaches. That's perfect. So if you're doing anything productivity-wise, maybe you need to sign some PDFs, you can go ahead and use this. Guess the price on this one.
Probably like 80 bucks.
35 bucks. So that's just like unheard of. But in all seriousness, I like this as a combo. For 329 bucks, I wouldn't be mad at it, especially if you're like a heavy Amazon user, you use Amazon Prime to watch content, or you use the Kindle app to read. There's just a lot here that you get for 329 bucks if you go for the bundle, or even at the $229 starting point. And if you, let's say you don't need a full-blown keyboard, you just want to use this for entertainment purposes, whether that's reading or watching content, they've got this guy as well. And boom, it's just like a smart folio. Oh, it's got magnets. So you can prop it up like this or like this. So if you want to watch content, you can do it like this. You're also able to take like Zoom calls. So if you want to use the front facing camera on here, you can prop it up, do your Zoom calls, watch your content, read your book, just like this. But yeah, guys, this is a quick look at the Amazon Fire Max 11. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like seeing the more budget-friendly options like this? Let me know with a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Of course, I'll have everything linked down below in the description for you guys to check it out. But till the next one, it's your average consumer. Peace. Dom, we gotta get our content on Prime Video, man.
Or at least Twitch.
Twitch? Oh, yes. Well, we should stream then. That's on us.